How God restores lost years and broken dreams. Have you ever felt like time has slipped away? Or that your dreams are too broken to ever be restored? Let me tell you something. God specializes in restoring what feels lost. Segment 1. Healing the past. God heals our wounds, whether they're emotional, spiritual, or physical. In those moments of brokenness, He offers comfort and peace that surpasses understanding. What feels like an ending can be the beginning of something beautiful. Segment 2. Redeeming lost time. The Bible says, I will restore the years the locusts have eaten. Even time that seems wasted or lost can be redeemed by God. He has the power to turn seasons of pain into seasons of purpose. Segment 3. Renewing dreams and purpose. Broken dreams don't mean the end. God uses your struggles to shape new dreams, dreams that align with His greater plan for your life. Remember, His plans are to give you hope and a future. Segment 4. Grace and forgiveness. Through God's grace, guilt and regret no longer define you. He forgives, renews, and gives you a fresh start. With Him, your past doesn't dictate your future. Segment 5. Faith in the journey. Restoration takes faith. Trust God's timing, even when it feels slow. Every step of the journey is shaping you into the person He's calling you to be. No matter how lost or broken you feel, God's restoration can make all things new. Trust Him and watch Him turn your story into a testimony of hope and transformation. Your broken dreams are not the end. They're the beginning of something greater. If this message spoke to you, like this video, subscribe to Dark Fati for more inspiration.